Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. After years of doubt and concerns, it is finally crypto's time to shine. Crypto leads the way as investors seek adaptable hedging alternatives in the search of a new digital gold. Let's talk about this. Like Shiba Inu didn't see any kind of growth in the past few days, but obviously people are now changing their mind. And why exactly? Crypto has served as a store of value for thousands of years, or well, gold has. Due to this, investors have widely used as a hedging tool against the effects of recession and inflation often caused by geopolitical tension. In light of recent events such as pandemics and more recently the military crisis, many investors have sought alternatives to gold and other precious metals to hedging options. As we approach a digitized age, it's a prerequisite that alternatives to gold are equipped with deal in the future, and you can see people have been using gold no more. Prices of gold have reached up to 2,000 and investors weighed up the geopolitical and ramifications. And you can see gold has reached a new all-time high. But what's next? Shiba Inu, it's time to shine. Crypto regulation is still very, very area, but it's mostly legal. It's only illegal actually in some different countries. And some don't, have some significant concerns, but in most places it's actually legal and it's accepted. As you can see, crypto, if you bought Shiba Inu in here, has some concerns, but it's still not really legislated over here. It's still not said what's going to happen with crypto. But overall, in time, in the future, we're gonna see it's gonna be banned in some areas. Probably, it's gonna be also allowed in some areas. Some it's more regulated, some it's less regulated. But this is, slowly but surely, it's turning up, in this area. So that being said, what is gonna happen next to this? Bitcoin maintains value regardless of holder's location. Bitcoin is legal in most countries, with some even declaring it a legal tender. But it does seem like Shiba Inu in the future is going to be used a lot more. Look at this price chart. It's looking beautiful right now. But even the stability shows by Bitcoin, including the particular crisis, have increased its attractiveness as a hedging option for those skeptical of gold's future viability. And we saw a high of around 60,000 in March 2021. Hopefully we can see even more. And right now we could be potentially seeing a new all-time high, hopefully, as we want to see Bitcoin on 100,000. Despite the recent explosion with crypto sector, crypto markets remain the shadow of traditional market investment in terms of valuations. Though mainstream exposure to the potential Bitcoin, we have seen the closing gap much faster rate than initially predicted. Investors have always sought the most up-to-date and viable options for their portfolios. What does this basically mean? Shiba Inu is growing a lot faster than we thought, and it's growing at a lot of quicker pace. If we look like fast 5 years, crypto has still seen tremendous gains. That's pretty exciting. Even the last 3 months, we're only down 12% now to what we were before. We're actually being a bit up now, which is pretty exciting if you ask me. Like finally, we're seeing those levels again, and we're only minus 20% before. In 19 July 2021, we were seeing some pretty back trend lines, and we were all concerned. But this is looking like with the advantages Bitcoin holds over gold, the certainty of digitized future, many investors are looking to diversify their portfolios, and they're also buying Shiba Inu, and that's why I have whales buying such big amounts. Bitcoin looks to be the best option, and if they buy Bitcoin, they're going to be buying Shiba Inu next. The incremental flow of capital in the crypto space can only go for so long until the floodgates eventually open, allowing Bitcoin to take its place as the new gold. So they're calling Bitcoin the new gold. Is Shiba Inu going to be the new silver? And that's definitely going to be really exciting because Shiba Inu is something that retail investors use, and that's what really gives it value. But I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Subscribe if you want to see more Shiba Inu news. Till next time, peace everyone.